A drive roll is a component used in various mechanical systems to provide power and motion transmission. It is typically made of durable materials such as steel or rubber to withstand the forces, and where associated with power transmission. The drive roll is responsible for transferring rotational force from a power source, such as an engine or motor, to a driven mechanism, such as a conveyor belt, roller system, or machinery component. It utilizes frictional contact between its surface and the driven object to transmit torque and drive the system forward. Driven by the power source, the drive roll rotates and engages with the driven object, causing it to move or rotate as desired. This enables the efficient and controlled movement of materials, products, or parts through a system or along a specified path. Drive rolls are commonly used in various industrial applications, including conveyor systems, printing machinery, automotive assembly lines, and material handling equipment. They come in different shapes, sizes, and configurations to accommodate specific system requirements, and can be designed with various surface patterns or coatings to enhance traction and reduce slippage. In summary, a drive roll is a vital component used to transmit power and facilitate motion in mechanical systems. Its reliable and efficient operation plays a crucial role in ensuring the smooth functioning of various industrial processes. Thank you for watching.